Alright, I'm recording again. We're back at a part where there's a lot of shells washing up. I thought the tide was supposed to go out farther, but it actually looks like it's coming back in. Look, my shorts are soaked. I've been trying to grab them in the surf. I give up. I can't do it. Robert just found a whelk standing there, so I'm just gonna stick with my original. Let's see what washes up. Got a couple fighting conchs in the water. So anyway, it is January 2nd, 2021. We are here on Sanibel Island. I thought the tide was going out, but at this point I think it's coming in. So we have got some good shells. Robert, show me the whelk that just washed up so we can see what he just got while I was busy getting my shorts soaked and not catching anything. Look at that. That just washed up at his feet. So
I marked the spot.
He marked the spot. So we are going to do night shelling tonight, and we're still walking the beach. We're not at our hotel yet, so we could still find something. But see what it is. This is, I call this like the tease line, because you see stuff, and then by the time you think you can grab it, the water comes back in and gets it, and then you start crying because you missed it. Well, I start crying. So let's just see what we can walk upon, because at this point my feet are numb, my shorts are wet, it is cold. Right there, look, you just walk up to wonderful goodness right there. I gotta thaw out before I decide to brave the water again, and the sun is covered, so oh, I walked right past that fighting conch. Nothing in it. See, it just needs to go out a little lower. So frustrating. I can't imagine how many good shells are, because there's a lip right there, and it's just blocking everything. It won't be as low?
But it still has a shell.
Oh, look. That's nice. We're still doing it. This is our last full day. I think we could shell in the morning. I'm undecided. We fly home tomorrow. I think we have to leave here about 9 to get to the airport on time. I don't always like to shell the day that we leave, because I really don't want to get like stinky shoes or whatever. You know what? Yeah, I don't want them. Yeah. So, still debating. Wait, what do you see? What do you see?
Oh, I thought I had something.
It is a nice fighting conch. That's an orange jingle. Piece of a sand dollar. Oh, another mussel. I might have enough for my craft project. Oh, I missed that one. Oh, come on, where'd you go? There you are. Look at that. 3 in one hand.
Holy moly, we just kept grabbing it.
All right. I saw another, but I don't think I'm going to get it this time. See, you just don't. Wait, there's one. There we go. There's one. And there's one. How was that? I wish it would have been like this just, oh. Yes.
You got one.
Anyway, if it would have been like this yesterday, it was too rough to do this yesterday. Oh, I dropped it, whatever it was. Gosh darn it. There we go. I got one.
You got one. They're all very nice and shiny.
They are. Oh, look at that. Right in front of me.
Oh, you got one. That's a pretty one.
They're lighter than the other whelks. Oh, it is completely different.
When I saw it, I'm like,
oh, look at that cutie. All right, we're finding some very nice shells. Tide is a little calmer. It was. This is a good morning so far. So we're gonna keep trying to see what we can find on this tide line as we walk back to our hotel. Happy New Year, everyone.